This is what we are trying to do with CAD. This is what we're going to be trying to do with CAD. So I'm going to be sending this one to you. So all what you have to do is just to copy this and then insert it into your CAD. So let me take you to the CAD page itself, the CAD dashboard itself. So this is the dashboard. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign here. So there's nothing here. So you're going to click on this plus sign here. That's the first thing you need to do. And then I'm going to start designing from scratch. In order for you to design from scratch, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this here. So I'm going to delete this. So this delete button here, you're going to click on it. This delete. You're going to click on it to delete it. So as you can see, nothing. So in order for you to start adding text, pictures, and the like, so you're going to click on this plus sign. So the plus sign, we have the text, the image, the video, audio, gallery, timer, list, button, links, icon, and lots more. So we're going to start with the text. So with the text, I'm going to go back to I'm going to send you the link to the sample we are going to be making use of. So this is the link. So I'm going to copy the FB Crazy Money here. So I'm going to be copying and pasting it here. So I'm going to paste it here. So the next thing you need to do is to edit. So in order for you to edit, you click here. So don't forget, it is white in color. It is white in color. So the first thing to do, so this background, and if you check this background is black. So I'm going to be making use of this background. So I'm going to be make this. In order for you to change the background color, we are going to click on this icon. I'm going to click on this icon. So you change it to black. So you change it to black. So you go back. So this is the test here. I think the test is somewhere here. The test is somewhere here. So you're going to increase the size of the text. You're going to increase the size of the text. You understand? And then you're going to change the color to white. I'm going to change the color to white. I'm going to change the color to white. At least 3.25 is okay, or if you don't want to make use of 3.25, you can make use of 3. So that is okay. Then the weight is okay. But in order for you to bold it, I'm going to click on this back. So I'm going to make use of 2 asterisk. That is, I'm going to follow these instructions. In order for you to bold it, 2 asterisk. Forward, also 2 asterisk. So it is bold enough, as you can see. So the next stage is to download this. As you can see, you can download it. I'm going to send you some other pictures you can actually use for your own. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on this plus sign again, add image. So the image we downloaded the other time, I'm going to be making use of it. So this is it here. So I'm going to be editing it by copying it. So as you can see, you're having it there already. So the next thing you need to do is to increase the size. So I'm going to click on here. So I'm going to increase the height. I'm going to increase the height. I'm going to increase the height to a reasonable size. I'm going to increase it to a reasonable size. So I think this is okay. So in order for you to corner around it, so you can also corner around it to a more reasonable shape. So the next thing here is this particular background here. Before the test. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign again and add container. This container, you're going to add container. So I'm going to be adding container. So that's the container. So the next thing you need to do is to change the color of the container to white. So to change the color of the container, you're going to click on the background. So you are going to add color. So it is automatically changed to white. So you can make use of any color of your choice, but make it more beautiful, more realistic, more okay. You understand? So the next thing you need to do is to add text. And in order for you to add text, I'm going to click on this plus sign. You're going to add text. That is, you are going to go back to the website. So you're going to copy this. I'm going to copy this. You go back to the page and then you paste it here. As simple as that. And don't forget to decrease the size. Decrease the size to a more reasonable, a more cool one. Let's make use of 1.3 or 1.25. 1.25 is okay. So don't forget, what color do we make use of here? We make use of color black. Color black. So let's put it in a container. So in order for it to change color black, just take it to black. In order for you to place this into the container, just hold it and put it back out. Hold it. Come in. It will come outside. But in order for you to put it inside, take it inside. So that's just the way it works. And then the next thing is to, let's check it. The next thing is to add a divider. As you can see, that's the divider. So you click on this plus sign again to add a divider. This is the divider here. So we are going to add a divider to it. So we are going to take this divider inside. We're going to take this divider, this particular divider. Let me change the color. Change the color to color white first. Or let's use color red. So we are going to place it inside, okay? As you can see, just like that. Just like that. Hope you guys are grabbing. So that is just the way you do it. And then the next stage is to, okay, this, then get this free book and blah 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 blah. So we're going to click on copy again. So we're going to click on test. Click on test. You can make use of any color of your choice. Make use of red. So you go back to this place to edit the test. So I'm going to be pasting it just like that. You're done. You are good to go. So you are going to bring it inside this container. I'm going to bring it inside this container just like that. You are done. So that's just it. As you can see, you're about to finish it. It can take you more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So the next thing is to put this timer and this button. So in order for you to do so, you're going to click on this plus sign again. You're going to click on timer. This timer. You're going to click on timer. Timer is just to add an urgency to it that this will be taken down, although the timer is calm. Understand? So you're going to be clicking on timer. You're going to make use of countdown or duration. Let's make use of duration. So just leave it the way it is and leave this. You understand? Just leave that. So you can leave this. So sorry for the other time. Okay, let me continue. So the timer, as you can see, you set the timer. So that's all. So in order for you to change certain components there, that is the digits, or you can simply leave it the way it is. So the next thing you need to do is to, what is there? This, I need it now. I don't forget. Okay, let's change this. So I'm going to click on this. I think we're making use of countdown. Oh, it should be okay, let's make use of this. It's okay. Let's make use of that. 3 hours 30 minutes. Yeah, it's okay. It's actually okay. 3 days 49. It's okay. So the next thing you need to do is to click on plus in order for you to add a button. So I'm going to click on this button. I'm going to be adding button. So here we are going to click on add. So you're going to delete this part. You're going to delete that part. You understand? So the button will be up in now, or get it now, or I need it now. So the domain part, the URL, will be your WhatsApp. It's your WhatsApp directly, and that's where wa.link comes in. So you're going to be clicking on opening on that browser. You're going to open on that browser. You're going to click on wa.link. link. So you are going to come here to this part. You are going to put your WhatsApp contact. So you are going to click on the custom message you want your audience to shout you up with. Hello coach, Freedom, I would love to access the FB Crazy Money Blueprint. My name. Okay, you can just put name. So that's all. Just click on generate link. I'm going to click on that, and you copy the link, and then you go back to your card and you paste it there. This I need it now. I'm going to click on it. This I need it now. So you are going to this domain part. That's where you are going to input the link. And the background, you change the color of the background. So you click on this part. You are going to click on it. So I'm going to change it to, let's use red. I think it is right there. So let me click on it again. I think I made a mistake there. So it will be red. I'm going to click on red. So as you can see, then you click on done. As you can see, then the next thing to do, click on it again, make it the height, increase the height to around 3.25 or something like that. Then make it a corner rounding, maybe 0.75 or 0.8. So that's done. As you can see, the next thing to do is to make it bold. So now for it to make it bold, make it of 2 star at the front and 2 star at the back. 2 star at the front and 2 star at the back. So that's all. Okay, no, we don't actually need it here. What you are going to simply do is to come here. I think the width here. Coming. The size rather. I'm going to increase the size to 1.75. So I think it's making sense. The width semi-bold. So this is where the width. This is where I'm going to make the width. So as you can see, it is making damn sense here. Let's edit this. This is disfiguring it. Let's make it soft. Actually, I think it won't show. So it is okay. So we are done with it. So the next thing you need to do is to click on the publish. You publish it. So where you are going to publish it, this thing is required. So just put FB, the title FB Crazy Money. So the description, maybe discover the no-flow system. To a consistent cash flow. So that's it. So this thing can be FB Crazy Money. FB Crazy Money. Not available. Guys, FB Crazy Money. Okay, FB Blueprint. So you can make use of FB any one of your choice. Actually, any one of your choice. You can make use of any one of your choice. So it is available, and you click on publish. That's all. You can click on publish, and then you preview it. So you visit site. So if this is so can you see what we did just now? What we did just now. So that is just the way it works. So let's test it. I did it now. Let's test it. It's going to lead to my WhatsApp directly. So anytime your prospects click on this, it will lead to your WhatsApp directly. So as you can see, hello. So that's just the way it works. So that's just the way it works. Hello, Coach Freedom. So when your prospect shouts you up with this, you will know what they want, and that is where you are going to give them the link to that drive, to that your drive, or to that book itself, the link to the book itself. So I'm going to show you a short video on how to go about that in my next video.